Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Jeep Solid Garage. So today we are going to work on my project named So this is my 92 Wrangler YJ that I picked up recently. Got a good deal on it. I introduced it to you guys a few weeks ago and you guys came up with some awesome names. But after, by popular demand, I guess, and you know, the name that really stuck with me is Project Fungus. So I'd like to introduce you to the Fungus. So we are going to spend today cleaning up the exterior. The paint is pretty oxidized. We're going to go clean that up. And the top here, you can see it's just chalky looking. And I've got a great product that I've heard excellent things about, and I'm anxious to give it a try here. So this is Malco's one-step auto paint restoration. It's a rejuvenator. Let me know if you guys have used this stuff. I've heard excellent things about it, and it's exactly what I think I need. Removes scratches, oxidation, paint defects, mild surface damages. So the oxidation on that paint and on that top, I really am curious to see what this looks like, how it turns out. So I'll be sure to link this in the description below, but I've heard excellent things about it. Let's give it a try. But be very careful because it says for professional use only. So being that I'm not a professional, I'm gonna give it a try. Very first thing I have to do, I have to swap out the battery on Fungus because the battery in there is just completely dead, needs a new one. So I'm gonna take the battery out of my Project 92 YJ here, put it into Fungus, and we'll see if it starts up. Alright, now this battery here tests out at, boy, we're jumping all around here, about 5 volts, 5.5 volts, so not great. Got a nice little jump starter we'll use to get it going and see if we can charge this. So I've got this handy little jump starter. If you guys don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. This thing, honestly, I really love it. I have jump started dozens of cars with this thing. This was given to me by Noco for free, but I've fallen in love with it. I really recommend this. I will link it below. Watch how easy this is. Simply plug in your cables there, turn it on. So you can see the battery is 100% charged. So we're just gonna hook it up real quick. You can't hook it up wrong, which is super cool. Hook it up like that, it starts flashing, it's ready to be fired up. So yeah, there we go, as easy as that. So like I said, I really like this thing. Super handy, I keep it in my Jeep all the time. I've used it dozens of times. I'll link in the description below where you can find it, but it's around 100 bucks. I highly recommend carrying it. It's so much easier than jumper cables, and you don't have to have another vehicle with you. So with that, I'm gonna recruit some help, and let's go get some of the pine needles, sap, oxidation, dirt, all this gunk off Project Fungus, and we'll get started. I'm super anxious to see how this rejuvenator works. If you guys have any experience with this, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your experience. From everything I'm seeing on it, people really like it. Go ahead and get in, just don't touch anything.
Really?
So what do you think?
This is cool.
Is it?
It's so dirty.
Show me how.
Correct there. When I checked it, it was up at 14 when I did it manually. Oil pressure seems a bit low. Not sure if any of those are accurate. One thing I did not do that I wish I had done on my last Project Jeep was this exact thing, taking it to a car wash somewhere, hit the bottom, the frame, the undercarriage, just all that, clean it up as best I can before I park it to start working on it. Makes a big difference. What? What?
It's not opening.
Oh,
There we go. Oh.
All right, let's get started. So that actually cleaned up pretty darn nice. We still got some of that oxidation on there. I'm really excited to see how that rejuvenator turns out. So let's give that a try. And the other thing, I'm really curious about that battery. What was it at 5 volts? Let's check to see where it's at now. So nice, looks like we're about 9.3. So if I run this a bit more, we might actually get this battery charged. Cool. So we did hit the Jeep one more time, washed it when we got home just to make sure we got all the debris off. Now we're gonna hit it with a clay bar real quick just to get all those last little stuck on pieces. So with this clay bar, what we're gonna do, it's kind of like a dead tongue or something.
Ew.
But anyways, so the number one rule with this is you cannot drop it on the ground. If you drop it, you're starting over because you'll get little bits of rock in there and then you'll just be scraping the Jeep. So we don't want that. So we're gonna tear off a little piece like this. That'll be your piece. This will be my piece.
Sticky.
Super sticky. And so what this does, we're gonna kind of flatten it down. You're gonna kind of knead it a little bit. Just kind of work the clay a little bit and get it soft. Then you're gonna kind of make a flat disc out of it and we're gonna rub it on the surface and it picks up all those little pieces of tar and just gunk that is like stuck on the Jeep before we polish it. So we're gonna hit it real quick. And we're also going to use some detailer because you got to keep it moist while you're doing it. The surface you're working on has to be moist. So we're going to wet down the surface real good. Here, you can come do this side. And then we've worked our clay. And you're going to take it, and you don't have to push hard. You're going to let the clay do the work. And you're going to kind of feel it grab a little, like if the area is kind of rough, kind of go over that area a little bit more. And it's just going to pick up all those little bits of debris. And we're going to do the whole surface like this.
The entire Jeep?
The entire Jeep. And you can see the dirt and stuff it's picking up. And once you get a dirty section like that, you're going to like fold it on itself, kind of work your clay again, flatten it back out, and keep going. We have a variable speed polisher here. All right, guys, you ready for the reveal? This Malco Rejuvenator, it did an excellent job. Check out this thing. Look at that shine. Took that oxidation right off the hood. Look at that difference before and after. That looks just amazing. It just shines now. It also did a great job on the top here. Remember the back end? Let's look at before and after. Isn't that amazing? That is impressive. That is really impressive. Cleaned this thing up great. Be sure to check out my next video right up here. Thanks for watching.